Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Habitech Horizons. In this video, we will learn how to create a new Gmail account. Actually, Gmail account is required for various purposes like banking purpose, for academic. Sometimes people create this account to register this email on different websites. There are multiple ways to create this Gmail account like this search box and another is this Google Apps. For this, I am using Google Chrome web browser. You can use any web browser you have. In first way, we use this search box. Type Gmail in this box and hit enter. You will find this first link. Click on this first link. This link take you to this web page. In the second option, we will use this Google Apps icon. Click on this icon and you will find the Gmail icon here. Click on this icon. This will take you to the same page for account creation. You will find create an account option at the top right corner. There is a drop down option. Please click on this option. This shows you two options. One is for personal use, another is for work or business. Click on either of these. In this video, we will create personal use Gmail account. This page asks you for your first name and last name. Enter your name and hit enter. In this page, please fill your basic information like date of birth and gender and click next. Depending upon your basic information you have provided on the previous page, Gmail will suggest you some predefine your Gmail IDs. You can select either of these or you can create your own by clicking the third option and then click next. As you can see that this username is already taken, so try another one. As you can see, the email ID should contain only A to Z or 0 to 9 and dot. On next page, please create a strong password which should contain minimum 8 characters. This password should contain character, numbers as well as symbols to create a strong password. Confirm your password and hit enter or next. This will ask for your mobile number for verification purpose. Enter your mobile number and hit next. After this, you will receive 6-digit Gmail verification code on the number you have entered. Enter this Gmail verification code and click next. If you don't receive any verification code, you can click this get new code, or if previous code is get expired, click this button. After verification, this page asks for your recovery email address. Usually, this email address is used to recover your email IDs or password. As we do not have any recovery email right now, so we can skip this step by clicking skip button. On this window, please verify your Gmail ID and mobile number you have entered and click next. This page shows you privacy and terms of the Gmail. Please go through these terms and condition carefully. Click on these more options to see more options. Select appropriate option and click I agree button. This step will take some time as this is the final step of our Gmail account creation. Please wait some time. This is the starting page after the new account Gmail account creation. This page shows you some customization options like customize your inbox, change your profile photo, import your contacts, like this. We can change our profile photo of this Gmail account by clicking this change profile image option. This will take you to the next tab. A pop-up will appear for profile picture. Click on add profile picture. Gmail automatically suggests some default profile picture, or you can import from your laptop also by clicking this from computer option. In this video, I will choose a default one. This shows your preview of your profile picture. You can customize your color or other crop or rotate options. Click next to finalize and click on save profile picture button. This will take some time for saving your profile picture. Once done, close this window. You can see the profile picture will updated. This is how we can create our first Gmail account. I hope this video will help you to create your first Gmail account. If you have any queries or questions, please ask me in the comment section.